Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Legend. The 2025 Mahindra Marazzo continues to be one of the most practical and well-rounded MPVs in the Indian market, known for its spacious cabin, robust build, and comfortable ride. The latest iteration of the Marazzo brings several enhancements that make it an even more compelling choice for families and fleet operators alike. With a blend of modern design, advanced features, and an efficient powertrain, the 2025 model aims to strengthen Mahindra's presence in the MPV segment. Mahindra has given the new Marazzo a refreshed look with subtle design changes that add to its premium appeal. The front grille has been reworked to align with Mahindra's latest design language, and the updated LED headlamps now feature sharper detailing for better visibility and aesthetics. The sculpted bumper, new alloy wheel designs, and revised tail lamps contribute to a more sophisticated road presence. The overall silhouette remains the same, ensuring that the car retains its signature aerodynamic shape, which aids fuel efficiency and driving stability. Step inside, and the 2025 Marazzo welcomes you with a premium and airy cabin. The use of soft touch materials, new upholstery options, and an updated dashboard layout make the interior feel more upmarket than before. One of the key highlights of this MPV has always been its space, and that continues with generous headroom, legroom, and shoulder room for all 3 rows of seating. The Marazzo is available in both 7 and 8-seater configurations, making it suitable for various needs, from large families to commercial fleet operators. On the technology front, Mahindra has equipped the new Marazzo with an upgraded infotainment system that features a larger touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The inclusion of a digital instrument cluster, wireless charging, and multiple USB-C ports adds to the convenience factor. Rear passengers benefit from roof-mounted air conditioning vents, ensuring uniform cooling across all rows. Safety has also been enhanced, with multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, a reinforced body structure, and electronic stability control, making the Marazzo a secure option for long journeys. Under the hood, the 2025 Marazzo retains its proven 1.5-liter diesel engine, which has been further refined to meet the latest emission norms while maintaining its strong performance and efficiency. With around 121 bhp and 300 Nm of torque, the engine provides a balanced mix of power and fuel economy. A 6-speed manual transmission remains standard, but Mahindra has now introduced an automatic gearbox option, addressing one of the biggest demands from customers. The improved NVH, noise, vibration, and harshness levels ensure a quieter cabin experience, making long drives more enjoyable. One of the Marazzo's strongest points is its ride quality. Built on a robust ladder frame chassis with a front-wheel drive layout, it offers a smooth and planted ride, even on rough roads. The suspension setup has been fine-tuned to absorb bumps effectively while maintaining stability at higher speeds. The steering is well-weighted, making city driving and highway cruising equally comfortable. Mahindra has priced the 2025 Marazzo competitively, making it a value-for-money proposition in its segment. With multiple variants to choose from, buyers can opt for a model that best suits their budget and requirements. Given its strong brand reputation, reliability, and now the addition of an automatic transmission, the Marazzo is set to appeal to an even wider audience. Overall, the 2025 Mahindra Marazzo is a well-rounded MPV that successfully blends practicality with modern features. Whether you are looking for a spacious family car or a dependable fleet vehicle, the Marazzo continues to be a solid choice. With its improved design, enhanced technology, and the much-awaited automatic variant, it reinforces Mahindra's commitment to offering a high-quality and comfortable MPV experience.